I'm Bella Bachman, and I'm a product marketing intern here at Equinix. In this demo, I will show you how to order a standard cross-connect. First, go to the Equinix customer portal. If you don't already have an account, you can contact your company's assigned master administrator for the Equinix customer portal. Once you've logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Go to the Orders and Tickets tab on the navigation bar, and under Order Interconnection Products, select Cross Connects. You will see a selection of service details. Choose the cross-connect product that best suits your needs. Guided ordering is recommended as it will auto-select the correct connection option based on your A-side and Z-side partner details. Otherwise, you can select the other interconnection options you're looking for. In this example, you are going to order a standard cross-connect through guided ordering. You must first identify your A-side demarcation details. Then you may start from your patch panel in your cage. For instance, fill in your A-side patch panel Equinix identifier number. Refer to this example here. This can be found in your install base report. If you don't know the patch panel, select the IBX, Cager Suite, and Cabinet from the drop-down menus. Next, you will fill out the connection information. First, identify the connection service. You can choose your own media type. For example, single mode fiber, which is our most common media type. Then you will select a protocol type to determine the speed of your cross-connect, your patch panel, your connector type, and an available port type from the drop-down menus here. You have the option to opt in for Equinix to install the cross-connect from the demarcation panel to your equipment for a fee. Then you will fill out your Z-side details to specify whether you are connecting to your own cager cabinet, a service provider, or a partner in another location via our building meet me rooms. In this example, we are ordering a standard cross-connect to connect to a service provider on the Z side. You will select the provider that you wish to connect to from the drop-down menu. This menu shows listed providers that you've previously connected with. For new providers that you've not previously connected with, select Add New Provider. Then, fill out the IBX, Cager Suite, Cabinet, Patch Panel, Connector Type, and port for the Z-side, which should be provided by the Z-side partner in the letter of authorization. The letter of authorization contains the demarcation details provided by your Z-side partner. You can submit the letter of authorization where it says Upload Files. On this page, you will be asked to choose a scheduling option for your cross-connect order. Standard scheduling is the default. Your cross-connect will be installed in 1 to 3 business days, depending on the IBX. Then, you will have the option to provide any additional details, a customer reference, contact information, and view pricing information before submitting your order. Once your order has been submitted, you will get a success message with an order number. Now you can return back to the home page and select Orders and Tickets and view the Orders and Tickets history. Your order number will show up, and from here you can monitor the status of your order. For more information on cross-connect products and specifications, please visit our Product Documentation Center, which can be found at docs.equinix.com. If you have difficulty ordering, you can go to equinix.com, select the Contact Us page from the drop-down menu, and choose Customer Support. We offer 24/7, 365-day customer support. This concludes the demo for the guided ordering of a cross-connect. Thank you for choosing Equinix.